Today we will learn some important English sentences for daily use. If you know these sentences, you will be able to speak English quickly. To speak English, you need to know many sentences or phrases. Only then you can speak English. If you want to improve your English, practice these phrases or sentences at home. As you please. You may stay as long as you please. By God's grace. We are saved by God's grace. Come what may. Come what may, I will try it. Do come. I hope they do come after me. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how you do it. It doesn't matter how you do it. Get off. We get off at the next station. We get off at the next station. Go down. Go down and see who is at the door, please. Go down and see who is at the door, please. Go up. Prices will go up, I suppose. Prices will go up, I suppose. Good heavens. Good heavens, what are you doing? Hurry up. Oh, you are so slow. Come on, hurry up. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. I didn't hear you what you said. I beg your pardon. I didn't hear you what you said. Is it? Is it safe to swim here? Let it be. Don't let it be completed. Not the least. There is not the least apprehension of her coming. Of course. Of course, she is an excellent doctor. Rest assured. Rest assured that we will go. Rest assured that we will go. Touch wood. Said after a confident or positive statement to express a hope for one's good luck to continue. I have just been lucky so far. Touch wood. I have just been lucky so far. Touch wood. Watch out. Watch out, there's a car coming. Watch out, there's a car coming. What a bother. What a bother, we have missed the bus. What a bother, we have missed the bus. Please help yourself. Used especially when offering food to someone. Please help yourself to some cake. Please help yourself to some cake. Let's learn some more phrases or sentences which will be useful to us every day while speaking English. Wonderful. Wonderful. Would you please speak slowly? Nice to meet you. Well done, dear. How dare you? How disgraceful. How disgusting. I will try my level best. It's all yours. It's all yours. Long time no see. Oh, I am sorry. I have got a bit late. I have got a bit late. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.